So I got myself together and I am about to go thrift shopping and to the beauty supply store. I am trying to get everything done by tomorrow. So I know I gotta try on tons of clothes. So I just kind of want to make sure I have everything packed and ready tomorrow, which is Tuesday. I leave on Thursday. So that's what I'm doing now. So that's what we're gonna do. I probably will go to the thrift store first because it's like 1:15. I normally pick up Max around like 3:45, 4 o'clock. So while I'm out, I probably will pick up dinner for him and I'll just probably be out for the remainder of the day. It's raining here. I was like stuck in a mood, but I'm like, you know, I got things to do. I just can't be stuck in a mood right now. So let's do it, y'all. We about to go on our girls trip. We about to go. And I threw this wig on, y'all, as you can see. But let's go, y'all.
These are cute.
So y'all, they don't have a lot of purses, because that's why I came in here to look for a purse. But let me see what kind of skirt they have. All right, y'all.
You know, good.
Okay. I was listening to Getting Grown. It's a podcast. I normally try to listen to podcasts while I'm like in the car, because I never get to like listen to my podcasts because I'm always with Max, or it's like a family ride. So I normally just try to do that. But y'all, I didn't see anything in that Goodwill, and I guess I'm not in a thrifting mood. So I'm just gonna probably run my errands at Sephora. Well, I'll probably go to Ulta because I think Ulta has the setting spray that I need. And go to Ross. I have to return some things at Ross. Let me put my seatbelt on. How about that? I have to return some things at Ross and Michael's. But yeah, I was looking for a purse. I know I said I wasn't going to buy anything. Everything is pretty much is going to be thrifted, which it is. But y'all, I'm looking for like a purse, like a cute little purse that I can tote around me for the wedding. So the wedding is going to be Friday. So I'm looking for something that I can carry around with me. I'm thinking about wearing a pink dress, but I'm not sure. So I don't know what I want to do with that. All right, I'm gonna call y'all back. I don't know why I picked up the phone. I ain't really want nothing. I'll try to contact you guys later on. Answer my call, okay? Bye. All right, y'all, welcome back. Your girl got her hair done. Okay, I'm almost vacation ready. So first, we gotta try on some outfits, okay? So let's get it done. So let's talk about this hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this portion of the video. Just practicing. Okay, so y'all, I got this hair from when I went on one of my brand trips. They gave it away, and y'all, I am loving this hair. Initially, I was like, let me cut it a little bit because y'all, it's gonna be hot in Jamaica. But I left some of my hair out in the front, and I have to like use some product, but I don't want to use too much product before I go on my trip, so that's why it's looking like that. But y'all, this is the hair. I love the hair. It's so freaking cute and it's light. Y'all, one thing about me, I'm tender-headed. First of all, my head is hurting, pounding, and I don't like heavy things. That's why I can't wear braids. I only get braids year round, but my hair, this hair is so light. I'll put the name of it and I'll see if I can get a code for y'all because this hair is really good. You should definitely get it. All right, so first things first, I'm going to Jamaica for a wedding, but I'm turning it into a girls trip, okay? So if you know, I'm a new mom and I need a break because your girl is tired. So I want to, this is one way that I make sure that I don't overpack and underpack. I make sure I go through all of my outfits. I try on all of my outfits to make sure I know what shoes I want to wear with what. And that's what I'm gonna do with y'all. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. This is how you don't overpack and you don't underpack. You go through your outfits, okay? Yes, I put a little face on because I need to know. So we're gonna do that, y'all. But we're gonna start with the dresses that I may wear for the ceremony. It's gonna be outside on the resort. So let's do that first. Okay, y'all. So this is the first look here. So it's this Fashion Over thrifted dress, and it's pink and white. But I was just thinking, like, is it okay to wear a mixture of color to the wedding? A pink and white dress. It's not all white, it's pink and white. But I like this option because it's cool. It has like a slip to it. I have my Spanx on and it has like a thrift and it's very light. I like this option. So this was my first option. Let me show you my second option. So this is the next option here. Now the only reason why I am hesitant about this option is because it's silk and I might be sweating. Now it does come with a slip and I do have on my Spanx that are like wet resistant, so you won't be able to see the wetness underneath it, but it's outside. I mean, I think it's still fun. And I still think it goes with these shoes right here. That's why I was looking for a purse. I was trying to thrift, and I'll still try to probably thrift something. But I don't know. What do y'all think? Would y'all wear a silk dress to an outside wedding? I mean, I like it. It's cute. But I don't know. What do y'all think? And I do have to, like, pin it up so my breasts are in the dress. But I love the dress. I thrifted this dress for $5.99, y'all. So, what do y'all think? Leave it in the comment section. The light pink one, the pink and white one, or the silk one. These are the only options that I have for the dress. Let's go. Let's move on. Next clips are going to go really fast, okay? So, keep up. So, we have the welcome party night or whatever. I'm thinking about this sheer dress here. I have a half bra and, like, some Spanx under here that I can, like, wear with this. So, these are my options, okay? This one with some sandals. Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. Guys, so we're gonna run into this thrift store. I'm done trying on clothing. I'm half packed. I just have to do my toiletries, but I really want to find like a cute bag that I can wear with one of those pink dresses. So I wanted to go to this thrift store, so I'm gonna take y'all along. So let's do it. I got like 10 minutes to do what I need to do and then go pick up Max. So hopefully I'll find something. Let's do it. It is packed up in here today. All right, guys, we have the purses. Purses, so these are all big purses. I don't need a big purse. This is a cute purse. It's a cute purse, y'all. But I need a small. Okay, this has potential, y'all. Oh, I was just in the thrift store. They didn't have anything. My last store that I'm gonna try is probably TJ Maxx tomorrow. If I don't find anything, I'm just gonna dig deep into my closet and see what purse I can wear, because I mean, I can't find anything. I'm gonna post a picture of what I'm actually looking for, and I've seen these purses throughout thrifting, but I've just never had an occasion to wear them. That's why you should, if you see something that you like, get it. If it's within your budget. All right, I am signing off because I have to go pick up my little one. Will probably not come back up here today. I'm exhausted, y'all, and my head is throbbing. Like I told y'all, I'm tender-headed, and whenever I get my hair done, I need to take about 3 Tylenols and rest because my hair is, whew, my head is throbbing. All right, y'all, I'll pick y'all back up whenever. All right, bye. All right, y'all, let's see if they have the bags that I'm looking for. Oh, this is cute. I don't like the brown. Ooh, vacation. I am going to Jamaica. And I can't wait for y'all to stay tuned to the vlog here of all of my thrifted items. I can't wait. I'm super excited. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Oh, them not bad like the lion. I them not bad like the lion.